Hello, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the vegetable soup from the movie The Secret World of Arrietty. For this recipe you'll need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, broccoli, potato, and carrot that chopped up equal 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of cilantro or parsley, roughly chopped, 1.5 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and salt and pepper to taste. The reason why I'm using vegetable broth in this recipe is because Arrietty's family doesn't really strike me as the meat-eating type. Spiller, on the other hand, definitely hunts and doesn't borrow. This is not a difficult recipe to make. You're just going to melt the butter, then cook the garlic and onion until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn any ingredients at this point or else it'll be bitter. Then add the flour, and cook on medium heat until golden brown. Once golden brown, strain the butter-flour mixture, add it back to the pot, and add the broth of your choice. Add in the vegetables, the salt and pepper, and bring the whole thing to a boil. You want to cover and cook on a simmer for 10 minutes or until the potatoes and carrots are soft. At the very end, add the fresh herbs and add more salt and pepper if you need to. And that's it! I hope you've been enjoying these videos so far. We're almost at the end of the A to Z Ghibli food series. If you haven't already, please check out the other videos in this playlist, give them a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.